Hi there, welcome to the fifth video of our series Excel tutorial for intermediate learners on Mentor Edge. In this lesson, you will learn some powerful tools that help you manage large worksheets efficiently and stay organized while working with big data set. The topics we will cover in this session will be freezing pans and splitting windows, grouping and outlining data, using find, replace and go to special, hiding, unhiding and protecting sheets. By learning these Excel skills, managing hundreds or even thousands of rows can become handy
Freezing
for you.
pans. When working with large data sets, you may lose sight of column headers while scrolling. Solution to this problem is freeze pans. To get this option, go to View, Freeze Pans. It keeps a portion of the sheet visible while the rest of the sheet scrolls. There are three options in the freeze pans. Number one, freeze pans allow you to freeze both rows and columns based on your selected cell. For example, if you select B2, freeze pans, row 1 and column A will remain visible. Second option is freeze top rows. It keeps the header rows visible. Freeze first column keeps the first column visible while scrolling sideways. This is extremely useful when analyzing large tables. Splitting windows. Split allows you to divide your worksheet into multiple pans so you can view different sections of the same worksheet at the same time. Go to View, split the worksheet splits in 4 pans. Here you can view top and bottom sections simultaneously and compare two distant parts of a worksheet. This helps when reviewing or comparing datasets within the same sheet. Grouping and outlining data. Grouping allows you to organize related rows and columns into sections that can be expanded or collapsed. To group your data, go to Data, Group. Sales data grouped product-wise. Select the rows for alias button. Click Group. Excel creates a collapsible outline. Now you can expand data and collapse data. You may create as many groups as required. This makes large worksheets easier to navigate and analyze. To ungroup, select the rows, go to Data Ungroup or use shortcuts to group, Shift Alt and right arrow key. To ungroup, Shift Alt plus left arrow key. Find, replace and go to special. Find any data, click Ctrl plus F. Search for a specific customer name or product. To replace, use Ctrl+H. Replace product with a new one across the worksheet. Go to Special. The path is Home. Find and select. Go to Special. This tool allows you to quickly select commands, constants, formulas, conditional formatting, data validations, etc. This is extremely useful when cleaning or auditing large data sheets. Suppose here select formula instantly in a large worksheet. Hiding and unhiding data. You can hide rows or columns. Select the rows or column, right click and click hide. You can unhide. Similarly, select surrounding rows or columns, right click and click unhide. Hiding helps keep worksheets clean while preserving important calculations. Protecting sheets. When sharing your worksheets, you may want users to view data but prevent them from changing formulas or structure. To protect your sheet, go to Review, click Product Sheet, a dialog box appears. You can allow users select cells or data, use filter, etc. while preventing editing formulas, deleting data, changing structure. This is essential for protecting reports and shared spreadsheets.
Best practices for large worksheets. Keep columns header clear. Avoid blank rows inside the data tables. Use tables inside of raw ranges. Use filters for analysis. Keep consistent formatting. These small habits make large worksheets easier to manage. Now you know how to navigate, organize, and manage large worksheets efficiently by using free spans, split windows, grouping and outlining, find and go to special, hiding and protecting sheets. In the next video of Mentor Edge Intermediate series, you will learn one of the Excel's most powerful tools, pivot tables for advanced data analysis. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe to Mentor Edge. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.